fast enough. You talk too much shit, but don't back it up. Shooter on deck if you tryna get bagged up. It's broken boy, bitch, I don't need to throw rags up. I put that on my mama. High tech sipping, got me sweating like a sauna. Acting like a bitch where you fuck with the drama. It's only 2 pops, little but then you were gonna. Yeah, broken, goated up. Pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a dime to the clothing. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a dime to the clothing. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. How you let a pump boy get this big? I ran it up, bitch, I'm Canadian, I'm good with the sticks. I'm 5'5", a little boy still a midget to me. It's cause I'm running shit, little bitch, I made it to the big league, yeah. Broken, goated up, pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a dime to the clothing. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a dime to the clothing. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me.
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.